Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to level up your content game and save a ton of time creating beautiful, consistent posts, today's tutorial is absolutely for you. I'm going to walk you through how to design eye-catching social media templates in Figma step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find, customize, and make your very own templates with zero design overwhelm and a lot more ease in your workflow. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about why social media templates matter. Whether you're managing a brand, freelancing for clients, or just want your Instagram feed to have that crisp, professional look, starting with reusable templates means you're not reinventing the wheel every single time you post. Instead, you're building a foundation, just like having your own set of Lego blocks ready to create whatever you want. It's all about consistency, speed, and that polished look. Now, open up Figma and head over to the main dashboard. If you've never used Figma before, don't worry, it's super beginner-friendly and you can use it right in your browser for free. Up at the top, you'll see a menu or search bar. Click on Templates and Tools. This section is a goldmine because it connects you to a huge variety of pre-made assets, including social media design templates that can save you hours of work. Once you're in the Templates and Tools section, type Design Social Media into the search bar. You'll notice Figma pulls up a bunch of different options, from Instagram carousels and Facebook post layouts to YouTube thumbnails and more. Take your time to browse through. Each thumbnail represents a different style and vibe, so think about what fits best with your brand or the message you want to share. Looking for something bold and colorful? There's something for you. Prefer minimal and clean? You'll find great options as well. When you find a template you like, just click on it. Don't overthink this part. Sometimes seeing a layout in action is the best way to know if it's the right starting point for your project. After clicking, you'll get the option to open it directly in Figma. Go ahead and do that. Figma will create a new file for you with all the layers and elements intact, ready for you to customize. Now, here's where the fun begins. You'll see all kinds of design elements laid out: text boxes, image placeholders, icons, colors, and backgrounds, all organized layer by layer. These aren't just pretty examples, they're meant for you to play with, swap out, and personalize. Changing up the color scheme to match your brand? Easy. Want to swap in your own images? Just drag and drop and the layout will automatically adjust. Text too big or small? Click and edit directly, just like working in a word processor. Take a moment here and think about the story you want your social media posts to tell. Maybe you're sharing daily tips, announcing a sale, or just want to showcase beautiful visuals. Whatever the goal, experiment with moving things around, switching up fonts, resizing elements. This is your playground. And if you're nervous about messing something up, remember, everything in Figma is undoable and you can always duplicate an element before changing it. After you're happy with your customized template, you're ready to use it again and again. Just update the content, export the design, and post it wherever you want. This template process not only saves you time, but also helps create a cohesive identity across all your social media channels. And that's it. Designing social media templates in Figma is all about finding inspiration, making it your own, and then streamlining your content creation process. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Figma tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step design tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.